Look at that guy go. And I'm doing 110. Woo! Drive it, baby. Hope there's a cop around the corner.
I'm getting Uber, cunt. You fucking... Fuck you.
And Australia's best 7 new oranges across the entire Kia range. Full details at kia.com.
Fuck off!
Most of these patients now are either no mobilization or getting the stirrup.
Fucking idiot.
Right.
What flavour did you get?
I got pretty much like the bottom of everything. Oh.
Shite. What are you doing?
I have a wagon version of the app. Oh, shitty!
Where'd that come off?
Came off that person's trailer.
Jesus. That was close.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
Son of a bitch is on my ass!
Oh my god!
Oh, good on you.
It is such a shell shock. Like, it's just so different.
So in a
like, it's
good-
great and everything.
Okay, good or a bad way? Be honest.
Good. But
Yeah.
like, I've never learned how to interact with other cultures and communities. Like in school, like all my friends, they're all Australian, and now I'm like working with people like from other cultures, and it's cool. Like, it's great.
Right,
Versus
so
up
for
you,
no one-
darling, you're
alright,
crossing
yeah,
it
that's the
full
thing.
line.
Right? I mean, hey, if you think
Don't
that's
be
bad,
you.
try going out to the country.
Oh yeah, that's like
That's right.
ultra wide.
Yeah.
But Taylor, good on you for moving to an area where you're like expanding your knowledge on different cultures and societies, and that's a good thing. It's a really good thing.
Thanks.
You probably should be more at the Gold Coast if you're from Australia. You must feel really out of place in Parliament.
I do like long hair, white girl.
Good on ya. Okay, Kiana's on. Hi, Kiana.
Morning, guys.
Welcome. What's on your mind?
I just want
It's
to
a
talk
good
about
thing. It's a really good thing.
things.
You probably should be more at the Gold Coast if you're from Australia. You must feel really out of place in Parliament.
Now you can go, darling. Hello. Welcome, get out. Red. You got a red light, you got the camera.
My camera's
You got the camera.
Oh, it's pissed off.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Manual recording
off-ramps was closed, and then further down there was an accident. So
what the fuck? You're on the wrong side of the road.
I had to like go around slightly to get off. But oh, puppy!
This is it.
He just came out of nowhere.
Donkey!
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm trying to come back in.
What the fuck, dickhead? Fucking moron!
What the fuck? No,
No, oh my god! Fucking idiot!
Send that motherfucker, Scotty.
Looking at animals.
Oh, I like it. I like it, and
Alright, do you need two fucking lanes to turn?
100%.
Tell me.
Oh fuck.
Idiot. Let's go to Scotty.
Is a completed gone in 60 seconds, or only a partially completed and therefore on in 60 seconds? Thanks, guys. Great question.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
On River 949, Marnie and Campo's secret proposal is coming.
Doesn't seem like Nigel knows exactly what a scope is, and holy shit, there's a guy driving up the right lane.
Yeah, well, Chris Harry will be home with me because school holidays still won't. He won't go and do the soccer on Monday.
Fucking litterbug cunt.
fucking idiot.
The computer, it's often said, and she gets some curly hobbies instead. Says that thought fills me with dread. I'm not into sewing.
Oh my gosh.
Fuck's sake.
I saw it coming too.
You went through a red light, turd.
What are you going to send me?
I went through a red light.
No, before that.
Oh.
I reckon they're going to go into McChunda. He's going to floor it and go past it. Watch it. Yeah.
Birds, man. Look at them.
Now I got that on Mega Dickhead.
There's no bull bars on the car. There's probably idiot Kinesi.